Okay guys, so you can see I already started putting my Halloween stuff up because this whole family loves Halloween and there's no rules to how early or how late you need to put up your decorations. So I've been obsessed with finding pink Halloween decorations. So I got this one from Home Goods. This from Home Goods as well. This is actually a candle, but I won't be burning it. This I got in a Marshall's. So it's a pastel-y kind of pink. This one, again, in a Marshall's. Recently, I got this like the other day. And this in Marshall's. Just to give you an idea that I do decorate for pretty much any occasion. This is considered like my summer little decor that I have in the half bath. So what I do is I just put something up here along with the soap dispenser to match. And then the little matching hand towel. So that's normally what I do. So this will be changed to Halloween stuff. Okay, so I'm pretty much decorated in terms of Halloween decorations. So we have a little island and I figure I just put these here. I love Hocus Pocus, one of my favorite movies. And my son does online school, so we have this little setup for him. But I figure I put a little orange tree here so you can see the details up close. Now all of these, they came in a set with basically all of the characters from Nightmare Before Christmas, and I ordered them from Etsy. And this was like from the dollar store, really cheap. Same thing with this. So yeah, you see all these, they were from Etsy. If I can remember where I got it from, like what little shop in Etsy, I will post it down below. That I got from Amazon, but I think Hallmark sells them too. And this is actually just a keychain, but I figured it was cute. And these, you know, they sell these in Target. So I just put them in there. And like little random spiders. Those were cheap. They came like in a bag. The little brooms I actually got from Home Depot, I think. And they actually smell like cinnamon. These again I got from Amazon. Same thing with that one. So I like to put like random little hidden things in my little trees. And then on the bottom here is just a little pumpkin that's lit up. And Sally. So that's what the tree looks like. And this is in our kitchen. So I thought it was a cute little decoration. And then here, I just put him there because I think he looks cute there on the corner. This I've had for years. Now, this is my living room. As you can see, my son just rules the world and we just are living in it. So this is his little play corner. I wouldn't say little, but you know, this is his big play corner and I have it organized. And these are my pink little Halloween decorations that I first showed you. Love them. I have decided this year to put 2 trees up. So one black one and one orange one. This little top hat was cute. It just went with the color theme. So I did that. And then you'll randomly see little pop dolls. So that's Billy from Hocus Pocus. I put some little eyeballs in there. Jack Skellington, this again was from Amazon. These random bones, they actually came in like a pack of bones and I got them years ago. I love this because I've always been obsessed with Beetlejuice as a kid, the cartoon. So I got this from Etsy. If I do remember the Etsy shop, I will list it down below. This I got from Marshall's. It came in a pack of different ones. So you'll see them randomly there. Another pop doll of Jack Skellington. And then another pop doll of Beetlejuice. So that's like a good idea for you guys if you want to do a Halloween tree. Jack Skellington. Then that I got from Amazon. Those little pumpkins were cheap. I forgot where I got them years ago. We have Freddy. We have Zero. I thought of the idea of putting little cauldrons. And then it has like little body parts. So you'll see like that one has a finger. Edward Scissorhand, love him. Of course, random little skeleton bones. So you see the skull, you see the hand, you see the rib cage. Again, a little pumpkin in there, just a little hidden thing. This, again, I found in Marshall's. It came with the set, so just little different ones. That's the mayor from Nightmare Before Christmas. More cauldrons, more little skeleton pieces. More cauldrons with little fingers. Let's look on this side. More pumpkins. Let's see, we have Hocus Pocus. That's another one from the Marshall set. This one as well. This says Spooky. I thought that was really cute. This one says Boo. Then I have a white jack-o'-lantern in here that lights up. And the skirt I got years ago. I don't even remember where I got it from. Random ear. From Beetlejuice. See them there. Hocus Pocus. The Santa from Nightmare Before Christmas. That was the set from Marshall's. This one as well. This one says, what does it say? Oh, Beware. You can't really tell, but it says Beware on it. Then I have a big Jack Skellington here, just because it went with the black and white theme. Black and white pumpkin. We have Sarah. Another Billy. A glitter spider. That one came with the set again from Marshall's. This was a keychain, same one like Sally in the other tree. But I figured since it's black and white, I put it in this one. We have the Beetlejuice ornament that I will look on Etsy for you guys to see if they still have it. And I will post the Etsy store. That's the Beetlejuice, pop Beetlejuice that you saw. The other set from Marshall's. Tiffany. Random bones again, cauldrons. We have Cousin It down there. And that's pretty much it. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. Oh, and then of course you know who that is. So this is what it looks like. And you see another Jack there, which is really cute. And then this is a closet. I just hung a little head there. That's the half bath. I just hung that there. And then on the sofas, I have little Halloween pillows. So this one I love. I got from Nordstrom. I got it this year. And then this one from Nordstrom as well. And if my sofas look a little wet, that's because they are. I was wiping them down. I like to wipe them down just to clean them, so that's why they look like that. And then by the door, we have little broomsticks, which I thought was a cute little touch. By the TV, more of my little pink Halloween decorations. So I'm obsessed with this little ghost. So cute. So cute. So I got her from Marshall's. And this was from Ross, I believe. Half bath. We have like a little purple theme going. So I have my favorite candle, which is the Black Cherry Merlot from Bath and Body Works. And then this I've always loved. This actually lights up. See, it lights up with glitter. Love this. And then this I got from, where did I get this from? Home Goods. I got this from Home Goods. Really cute. Soap dispenser. To match, I got a little ghost towel. And then this, I normally put like potpourri. This is the toilet. You don't need to see that. But this, I put potpourri in most of the time. But I figure for Halloween decorations, let's put some eyeballs and skulls and just weird stuff. So that's what that looks like. So yeah. That is what it looks like. Very cute and simple for a half. In my bathroom, I have this curtain, this shower curtain, because I was trying to look for a Hocus Pocus one, but this was the closest that I could get to it because I noticed that there was 3 little witches here. So I figured, oh, that's cute. And then I have a black towel, and then I have the Hocus Pocus candle that I got from ColourPop, I think it was. And the Hocus Pocus soap dispenser. Hocus Pocus, I put like my Q-tips in there. And then it's my toothbrush and my son's toothbrush. And then this little thing that you saw me get when we did the Halloween shopping. I figure I use it for that. And yeah, that's what I have for my bathroom. You guys, I have a collection of DVDs. This is what it looks like. And I know it looks insane. The craziness of it is my husband collected DVDs and so did I. So when we got married, of course, and we moved in together, we just put our collection together. So it looks crazy, but yeah, this is our DVD selection. And I try to have them organized in terms of like horror is one little section there. Then we have comedy, which is that section there. Then we have like romance, which is that section there. Then it goes into action. So it's insane. And then this is like the kids section. That's more action down there. And that's kids down there. And more kids down there. So yeah, that's what it looks like. That's Logan, my son. That's his little play area. And yeah, so that's our Halloween decorations.